Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android dark mode not working. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is ensure that your device supports dark mode. Most of the recent Android devices support dark mode. For that, you can head over to settings, tap on system updates and check your Android version over here. The other thing that you can do is check your phone's details inside your system settings. For that, simply head over to system. Simply head over to About Phone inside Settings and check your device details and enter it online to see if your device supports dark mode. If your device supports dark mode and is still not working, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your device and try again. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your settings again, and then from here you'll have to tap on system again. Here you'll have to tap on reset options and then hit erase all data or factory reset your device and try turning on dark mode after you have factory resetted your device. Do remember that factory resetting your device means erasing everything off of your device, so do remember to back it up to something else before you try and erase your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.